Hey guys, quick update on the lights. Just got a shipment in from Amazon. I'm actually going to be putting these as my driving lights on my BMW, but also got a set of replacement bulbs. These are, Spike makes a replacement kit for things like the General, and but these are, you can see here, these are standard H13 bulbs. And AUXBEAM and others manufacture replacement bulbs for that are LED. And AUXBEAM, I've got my front lights here, and I also have a set on the back. Those are AUXBEAM. I've been really pleased with them. They're good quality lights. They're inexpensive. You can get them on Amazon. In fact, I think they're sold exclusively on Amazon. But I bought a set of their LED headlights. These are 4,000 lumens. And these are, again, these are H13. Oh, just see right there. These are H13 bulbs. I did also get a set of just inexpensive filters to go in line. I've seen, I don't have a radio in my machine, but I have seen some folks that complain about flickering, and also if you do have a radio, getting interference. But what I've done is, if you can see right here, be a little bit dark, and I've got to zip tie this up out of the way, but I've got it, got the filter in line, got the bulb plugged in, and one thing I did have to do, these bulbs, you can see it's a twist base that locks it in, and one thing I did have to do, there's a small set screw right here. You can see right here the Allen wrench. Just remove that, and I've got to reclock this ring here, and I think it basically is just going over one hole, and put that screw back in before I put the bulb in. But to give you an idea of what the lighting looks like, I'll turn on here, and then you can see here the difference there. And I mean, it actually shows up better on the camera than it does in person, at least just sitting here in the garage. You can see the difference there. It is just absolutely massive, the difference. So really looking forward to getting out and trying out these new bulbs. There's the brights as well. So looks really, really good. Also too, another quick lighting update. Super bright LEDs, big fan of them. They have a Labor Day sale ongoing, 15% off. So I picked up, this is a combo beam. If you look here, just looks a little bit different. These are, it's a combo with spot and flood. So on each end, you have a slightly different reflector. These have a lifetime warranty on them. They come with a very nice, you can see actually quite long extension on them. Very nice plugs already done. What I've done is I already had, when I ran in my light bar switch, I already had put in the front lights, the cube lights that are on the front, and they're in the same switch and relay. And I had the output already out, just back behind the dash. So what I've done is you can actually fish a line up through here, and it comes out in this hole here. So what I'm gonna do is I'll wrap some tape around this. All I've done so far is this comes as bare wire. I've gone in and put shrink wrap connectors on there, and I put this shrink wrap on and did that up, and then just connected it. I've already plugged in the light, done a quick little test, but what I'll do is I'm gonna fish this up underneath here. I've got to get it mounted. My plan is to mount this is a 40-inch bar, by the way, is to mount it on this position here, and then right over here. Use some pretty big fender washers underneath here to get it some good support. Might get a little bit of vibration, but this is a nice solid roof. I'm pretty impressed with it. And then for the wiring, I think what I'm going to try to do is come out from here, just run it around here, because this lead is so long. I mean, I could have cut it I could have cut that and just junctioned it right in here with this. But part of me kind of hates to get rid of this nice connector. So anyway, I still may do that. If I do that, I'll just drill a hole, put a grommet with a little bit of silicone sealant around it, and just run it down through there. You know, once I get the bar up there, I'll take a look at it, see what it looks like. But that's coming. I will post another video on the bar, and we'll take a look at that, see what that looks like. And really excited about the bulbs. Again, big supporter of AUXBEAM. I will, in the description, I'll put some pricing information on that. And then one other quick update, I also have bought these seat platforms here. These are from, I mentioned this in another video, these are from Rock Ready, and I'll be getting those installed as well. Thanks again to everyone who watches, really appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends, share on the boards, on Facebook and so on. And just really appreciate all the support. Thanks.